In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Epson ET-2850 printer to your PC computer. And then I'll show you how to print using Wi-Fi and your PC, and also how to get the scan results directly on your computer. But step number one is to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network. The same Wi-Fi network as your PC is currently on. So let's go over here. First, press the home button so we start on the same page over here. Then using the right side arrow, you're going to press it a few times until you get Wi-Fi setup on the display. Press OK. Select Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK. Press OK. Select Wi-Fi setup wizard. Wait a few seconds, it will scan for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are located around the printer. With the up and down arrow, you'll be able to select your Wi-Fi network, press OK, and now it's time to type the password. If your password has numbers or maybe some symbols, you need to go down over here, press OK, and the keyboard on the display will change. At the end, select the OK located on the lower right side and press OK on the control panel. You will get setup complete, press OK, and now your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. On your PC, you're gonna go over here where you see the Windows logo. If you have an older version, your Windows logo may be on the lower left side. Click on it and then select Settings. Then you're going to go on the left side until you select Bluetooth and Devices. And on the right side, go down and select Printers and Scanners. These are all the printers previously connected with your computer, but since we need to add this new printer, we will click on Add Device over here. Wait a few seconds, your computer will scan for all the printers that are currently connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And here we go, this is the printer, ET-2850 series. Press on Add Device. You don't need to download any driver if you want to do this by Wi-Fi. Here we go, it's installing all the things it needs. Give it a few seconds. And now it's marked as ready. Let me show you how to print something. So I'll go ahead, find a file that I wish to print. Once you find the file, you're going to press the print button. And over here under printer, from the list, you're going to select your ET-850 series. Then we have a few other options that we can change, including the numbers of copies. How many, the page range in case it's a big document. Here you have the choice to choose black and white or color. Let me choose color. And if you want to print on both sides of your paper. Once you're ready, press the print button, and usually in under 15 seconds, the result should come out of your printer. Don't forget to extend this tray because this is where it will come out. Now let me show you how to scan. Open the scan lid, take your document, place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the right side. So it should be like this. Then you see there is an arrow on this corner. This means that we need to bring the document, so the corner of the document touches the corner with the arrow. This is how we know that the paper is aligned. Close the scan lid. On your PC, all we have to do now, let me close this. You need to search for the scan app. Most PCs these days come included with this app that is made by Microsoft. So I search for the scan app and open it. If you don't have it, it's possible. All you have to do is to go on the Microsoft Store, search for scan in the apps, and download it. Let me just do it so you see how it looks. So this is the app I'm talking about, Windows Scan. It's free and It only takes a few seconds to download. So once this is done, you're going to go over here where it says scanner, and you're going to select the scanner of your printer, which is the ET-2850. Source, leave it to auto configure. File type, choose what kind of file you wish to have at the end. So is it a JPEG, PNG, TIFF, bitmap, whatever. And finally, over here, once you click on more settings, you can choose in which folder of your PC the results will go. So I have chose desktop. Once you're ready, press scan and wait. Usually in under 13 seconds, the results should be saved on your device. You're going to get a confirmation on the top. Here we go. Now you can press view or simply close. And here we go. If I go on my desktop, the result is there. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, all I ask you is to leave a comment, subscribe, like, check my Amazon links if you want down below. I have put links towards ink for this ET-2850, paper for this printer, and even other printers if you want to buy a second one. Every time you go through my links, you support my channel, since I get a very small commission from Amazon, and yeah, it keeps me doing these videos. Thanks again. Have a nice day.